Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Sana Mehrotra. If you are seeing this face for the very first time, hit the subscribe button down below and also hit the bell icon next to it so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. As you can clearly see, I'm sitting barefaced. Legit, I have no makeup on. So you guys must have guessed it that I am going to do a skincare review today. So for today's video, I'm going to review two products from Mountainor, which is a vitamin C serum, 20% vitamin C serum, and the second product is anti-blemishes face cream. So I've been using these products from last 1 week and I quite like it. So if you guys are interested in knowing the review of these two products, then let's just quickly get into the video. Talking about Mountainor, Mountainor is an Indian skincare brand. It has got no parabens, no silicons, it has got no harmful chemicals, it is 100% natural, it is cruelty free, it has got no mineral oils. So as you can clearly see, I have few problematic areas. I have pigmentation going on, I have acne scars, I have some pimple scars too. So I wanted to clear it out. So that's the reason why I have gone with these two products. It works on pigmentation and scars. So we'll first start with the serum. So this is Mountainor Vitamin C Serum. So this is how the outer packaging looks like. It clears your skin, it reduces your pigmentation, it reduces your fine lines, it lightens your skin tones, it gives hydration, it provides glow, it works on your signs of aging, it boosts your collagen, also it reduces your dark spots and your acne scars. This product is, guys, dermatologically tested. Now talking about the ingredient list, so it has got vitamin C 20%, which brightens your skin and provides you with a healthy glow. Then it has got arbutin 0.2%, which fades away your scars and also reduces your pigmentation. It has got aloe vera 5%, which provides hydration. It has got hyaluronic acid, which helps in plumping your skin and providing you moisturization and hydration. Also, it has got jojoba extracts and green tea extracts. If we talk about the price, it is for 299 rupees for 15 ml of a product. Now, let's just see the inner packaging. So this is how the inner packaging looks like. It comes with a dark white color of a bottle. It is a glass bottle and it comes in a pump packaging. So if we talk about the texture of the product, it is runny in nature and it is yellow in color, and it has also got a mild fragrance. Now let's just see the application of this product. So you just have to take 2 to 3 drops of this product on your face, or also you can take it on your palm, and you have to massage in circular direction to let the product absorb in your face. So once you apply the product, it looks a bit greasy and sticky on your face. Once it settles down in 1 or 2 minutes, then it gives you a matte finish. Also, guys, you can apply this on your neck area too. On packaging, it is written that you have to apply this twice a day. That is, you can include this in your morning time skincare routine and also in your nighttime skincare routine. Also, it is written that you have to use it at least 2 to 3 months for long lasting results. Guys, after the usage of 1 week, I can clearly say that it is giving me a subtle glow. It is giving me a radiant skin and it is working on my acne scars. I can clearly see that it is fading away my scars and it easily gets absorbed in my skin. You have to give 1 or 2 minutes and it will be easily absorbed by your skin. And also, guys, it is making my skin even tone. I hope you can clearly see it on my face. After applying this serum, you need to apply a moisturizer so that you don't feel the need of hydration. So now the second product comes into play. So this is Mountainor Anti-Blemishes face cream. So this is how the outer packaging looks like. It corrects your dark spots, it corrects your pigmentation, it repairs your uneven skin tone. Now talking about the ingredients, it has got licorice extract, it has got aloe vera, it has got glycolic acid, then it has got carrot extract, it has got moringa oil, it has got glycolic acid, it has got vitamin C, it has got kojic acid and niacinamide too. Now talking about the price, this is for 599 rupees for 50 ml of a product. Now let's just check the innermost packaging. So this is how the innermost packaging looks like. So it comes in a pump bottle. It is a very beautiful white colored bottle. So this is how you open the cap, and it has got a stopper so that it does not leaks the product out. Once you open it, you just have to take a pump of this product. So this is a cream based moisturizer. So it comes in a white cream like texture product. Once you blend it, you can see that it is quite moisturizing in nature. Now let's just see the application. So you just have to take pea size of this product. You can apply this on your neck and face. It works on pigmentation, it works on uneven skin tone, it works on dark spots, it works on acne marks, it works on oily and acne prone skin, it works on dull skin. Now coming to my review on this product, as you guys already know that I have got oily and acne prone skin and I'm using this product for last 1 week, and I can clearly say that it is giving such a matte finish. I'm not feeling any greasiness or stickiness on my face. You can clearly see that it is giving so matte finish on my face, and it is making my skin very soft and plump. I've been trying both of these products and I can clearly say that it is reducing my acne marks. So guys, I totally love this product, and if you like the review of this product and you want to give this product a try, then I have given the link of the product in the description box so that you can check it out, and if you are interested then you can go ahead and purchase it. Yeah guys, that was all about this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this and you found this review helpful. If it really helped you, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll catch you guys up in the next video. Till then, take care of yourselves, take care of your family, take care of your loved ones. See you in the next video. Bye. Love you.